Yeah! Can you believe it? Guys, thank you that you were with me for this. I can't believe I found a... Guys and gals, friends and pals, welcome to another magnet mission. This one took place actually last summer also, and it's still February 22. I'm putting another episode together for you. Wanted to say hi the right way. So this one takes place at the Columbia Slough, a place I called the Harley Graveyard. I'm going to do a little spoiler alert. I don't find any Harleys on this particular mission, but I find plenty of other cool stuff, and I'm not joking. So watch the whole thing. I promise you, you won't be disappointed, but I did include some cool information at the very beginning that shows you precisely why I call this place the Harley Graveyard. So without further ado, welcome to another magnet mission. So behind me is the Columbia Slough. I am at what I call the Harley Graveyard. I found 2 half frames and 1 frame that was complete out here, so I'm hoping for some more. So today I am magnet fishing with my Brute 2,000 pound double-sided, well, it's 2,000 pound combined. It's a double-sided magnet. Each face has a 1,000 pound grip. So here we go. Okay, well, we're about 20 throws and a half an hour in. And I just pulled up this nice chunk of metal bar, so I can crinkle that up and take it with me. But it's not the motorcycle frame I was hoping for. And I'm probably gonna try 10, 15, maybe 20 more throws down here because I'm losing sun. And then I'm gonna head up there because I will tell you there is a bunch of rocks just like you see here, and under the surface of the water, and it continues down. So even when I hook onto something, boy, it sure makes me wonder how I got the one frame that I found off the shore, because the other, actually no, I found a half of one out here that I brought this way. I found a complete one out here, a 61 panhead that I brought out this way. But the third one I actually found way over there, and I hauled it way up there, and it should have been in one of the preceding videos, yeah. All right, guys, I got something finally that's coming in, and I broke my promise to myself. I'm supposed to be up on top of this bridge dipping, but that's all right. We got something right here, and let's see what it is. All right. Huh. I got no idea what this is, but if you take a look here, that appears to be threaded. It's got ridges on it, and it telescopes to something slightly bigger. And then it's got a grip built into it there. Sorry about this, completely out of focus. But anyhow, here's the whole dealio. I'm gonna lay it right there and try and show you the whole thing. Yeah. Not sure what that is, but it's a pretty good chunk of metal. Goes from there to there. So now I can't go up top because I just found this down below. Well, so we're gonna keep on trying.
It's time for a grapple grind.
I'm feeling good about this. I think something's gonna happen. I got something on here. I've been working on for about 5 minutes. It's pretty heavy, and I want you to see what the... it might be another motorcycle frame. Oh, it's something. Oh, it's something, baby. Look at this. What the heck? No, this is like an old... Okay, sorry about that. I'm back again. This looks like one of those old, look up a Honda Trail 90. In fact, I'll show you a picture right here. So you can see where there was levers on both sides. So that's a front and a back brake, or a clutch and a front brake. So these handlebars are pretty tweaked, but you can see that it's got a front suspension, what's left. These are forks here with look, it's got a, you know, a tree assembly, three 3 different parts. So that tells me it was durable, and they're very wide. And if you look back here at what's left of the rear fender, it looks like it was blue. And then, yeah, you can see a cable here, and then this looks like a bracket for the motor mount. And then it had a big old blocky seat, just like those old Trail 90s. I'll bet you this is an old, like, Honda Trail motorized scooter. All right. Yeah, well worth it. If I don't find anything else, this was still a great find. But let's see if we can top it. Okay, guys, so the claw is stuck. So it's getting dark. What I'm gonna do is take that rope, drop it down from up there, come back down, connect them, go back up, and hopefully be able to reel it in from up there. Ooh. Yeah, this there's no way I'm gonna get up here with just my feet, but I gotta climb up there and then off around there. Dun, dun, dun. All right, we're up this far. Now off we go. Okay, so I'm up here on the bridge. There's my bucket down there, my grappling hook's in the water. There we go. So I'm gonna connect my carabiners down here. Gonna hike back up to the top. I won't burden you with that. And then we're just gonna start reeling this baby up. Don't be surprised at all if we wind up with an empty grappling hook. All right, guys, so I don't know if you can see my hook is now swinging freely there, so nothing fell off of it. It just suddenly let loose. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing screams magnet mission like dropping your 2,000, oops, I can't show it to you right now. Your 2,000 combined off a, 50, 60 foot incline, hoping to get something that weighs anywhere from 1 to 250 pounds in the middle of the night after you've been at it for 2 hours, right? Are you with me? Let's do this. We're diehards. I love this, and I hope you love it too. So let's find something real and make this the best magnet mission ever. Right on? Here we go. Let's see what happens next. I feel good. All right, guys, I gave it a couple of tries and it didn't work out. There's nothing happening, so it's time to go from dragging to dropping. Only not here. Down there. Chapow. Okay, guys, just brought it up and found a ball bearing. All right, single-sided anti-collision in the dark toss, take 2. Okay, wasn't that cool looking? How it was dark and you heard something but didn't see anything happen. Yeah. No way, guys! No way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way. Look what I just found. Oh my gosh. Look, this is a bolt action rifle. No freaking way. Woo! Sorry. Oh my gosh. Dude, epic find. I wonder how old this is. No way. My mind is blown right now. I hope yours is too. Magnet mission accomplished. Yeah! Can you believe it? Guys, thank you that you were with me for this. I can't believe I found a bolt action rifle. And check this out. There is the bolt. The trigger is still on it, but you can see the stock, right here, the butt of the rifle, which would be shaped something like that, I imagine, is completely rotted off. And this was actually, I don't know if it's called the grip or what, but it goes right there. That's wood. That just came off too. So here is what's left of that bolt action rifle I just found. So now I'm going to call the St. John's Police Department let them know I found this old rifle, and I'm hoping they'll let me keep it. I don't see why they wouldn't. There's no way to do ballistics. The thing will never fire. And then, of course, I'm gonna keep on magnet fishing and see what else we can come up with tonight. So right on, man. This is the best night ever. Woo! Okay, I gotta stop with the woos. It's starting to bug me. So if it's bugging me, I know it's bugging you. So I just spent about 15 minutes on hold. Finally got in touch with non-emergency dispatch. An officer is supposed to be calling me soon. I just got off the phone with Officer Weston from the Portland Police Department. I described the gun to him. He said I'm free to do whatever I want with it. So anyways, I got a cool remnant of tonight. In the meantime, I was still tossing my magnet. I've got something else on here now. I have no idea what it is. It's pretty heavy and it's down there. Hoping it's a Harley frame. We'll be amazed if it actually is. But I'm gonna bring it up. Oh, you know, it's a bicycle. Man, boy, that's a rusty piece of work. Let's call it that. I'm sure I'm gonna make you suffer anyways. I want you guys to live this with me. I want you to experience it. Something swinging there. Oh my goodness. Heavy, 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 heavy. Whew. I'm just gonna bring it over and show you when I get it here. Here's my single step. Boy, this one's old. Look at that. The wheel's completely... Let me get it out of the street. There's traffic. Completely rotted off. There's one wheel on the back that's completely gone. So, ooh, what's this? Oh, look at that. That's the old... They had a little brake light on there. Huh. That's pretty cool. Look how... From the style of the seat... Gosh, this must be an older... Schwinn. Huh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, these handlebars are backwards. Wait. Maybe I can fix it here on the spot. No cars coming. I'll take a quick look here. Yeah. Old, rusty Schwinn 10-speed. Yeah, so, boy, what a great night. We got a bolt-action rifle, some kind of scooter frame, motorized scooter, and 10-speed. Let's call this one a big success. We had 3 pretty cool finds. And once again, please like and describe. I did that before. Please like and subscribe below. And Brute Magnetics, no one will treat you better. And they've got fantastic products. So look at the links down below for that. And get yourself one. Get out here. We'll magnet fish together. And we'll have a magnet mission that hopefully everybody digs on. So... Anyways, thanks again. If there's nothing else, we'll see you on the next magnet mission.